Sure, banks have a lot of money. But have you ever wondered which one has the most out of all the 25,000 banking companies worldwide? In today's video, we are going to rank the top 10 banks with the most money in the world, or the richest bank as of 2022, all ranked according to each of their total assets. Hello! We are Affirmation Kingdom. Look out on each bank's figures and total assets, as the one ranking first has almost $2.3 billion in difference from the 10th in rank. First of all, how do banks earn a profit? The gap between the interest rates offered to savers and the interest rates imposed on loans allows them to maintain their business as a financial intermediary. Customers who deposit money into a savings account are rewarded with interest. Customers, on the other hand, pay interest on the amount they borrow. A bank can recoup its costs by charging borrowers an interest rate that is somewhat higher than the rate offered to depositors. Now that we know how banks make money, let's start off with our ranking. Ranking 10th on the list of 2022's richest bank is the Crédit Agricole. Crédit Agricole has its headquarters based in Montrouge, France, recorded to have a total market cap of $52.1 billion and a total asset of $2.278 billion. France's Crédit Agricole Group is the world's largest cooperative financial organization. In 2022, it will be the third largest bank in Europe and the second largest bank in France. A network of Crédit Agricole local banks, a network of 39 Crédit Agricole regional banks, and a centralized organization are all part of the Crédit Agricole banking system. On the Euronext Paris First Market, Crédit Agricole SA serves as the Crédit Agricole's intermediate holding company, and the business's highest CAC 40 position is expected in August 2022. The Financial Stability Board considers it to be a systemically significant institution. The Crédit Agricole Professional Road Cycling Team was sponsored by it from 1998 until 2008. Now, if you are amazed by that, wait for the first-ranked bank, which has a total asset of 2 times more. Number 9 is the Bank of America. The Bank of America is located has 2 headquarters. One is for its corporate banks located in North Carolina, USA. The second is in New York for their investment banking. It has a total market cap of $279.2 billion and a total asset of $2.82 billion. Next is HSBC Holdings ranking as number 8. British investment bank HSBC Holdings plc is one of the world's largest. In 2022, it will be the second largest bank in Europe, with total assets of $2.984 trillion, making it one of the world's top 10 financial institutions. London, England, is home to the company's headquarters. As an added bonus, the Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Corporation, HKSBC, was the original parent company of HSBC, which was founded in London in its current form. The name of the holding company was obtained from the initials of the parent firm when it was formed in 1991. When the Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Corporation initially set up shop in Shanghai in 1865, it was known as the Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Company. More than 3,900 offices and 38 million clients are spread over 65 countries, ranging from the African continent to Asia, and Oceania to Europe and North America. According to Forbes magazine's global rankings, it was also the world's 6th largest public bank in 2014. The Financial Stability Board considers it to be a systemically significant institution, SIFI. The French company BNP Paribas ranks at number 7. BNP Paribas SA, the largest French worldwide banking firm, is based in Paris and operates in over 100 countries. With a total assets of $3.080 billion will make it the 7th largest bank in the world in 2022. Banque Nationale de Paris, BNP, and Paribas merged in 2000, however, the French National Bank's corporate identity dates back to its founding in 1848. Apart from that, it's another key player in France's global banking industry, along with Crédit Agricole, Société Générale and Groupe BPCE. On the Euronext Paris First Market, the company is a component of the Euro Stoxx 50 stock market index, as well as the French CAC 40. Then, we have at number 6 is a Japanese bank called Mitsubishi UFJ Financial Group. As Japan's largest financial services corporation, Mitsubishi UFJ Financial Group, MUFG, has close to $3 trillion in assets. The Mitsubishi Group relies heavily on this company. In 2022, it will be one of the 10 largest banks in the world, with assets totaling $3.1 billion and a market cap of $111.6 billion. Kyoto, Tokyo, Japan, is home to the company's headquarters. Bank of Tokyo Mitsubishi and UFJ Bank, a subsidiary of UFJ Holdings, merged to form MUFG in 2005. It also offers investment management, retail management, and other comparable services, in addition to retail banking. Next to Japan, is an American bank that is widely known all over the world. An American global investment bank and financial services holding corporation, J.P. Morgan Chase, is headquartered in New York. Incorporated in the state of Delaware, J.P. Morgan Chase & Co. It is estimated that J.P. Morgan Chase would have a net value of $3.684 billion by October 2022, ranking it 5th among all banks in terms of total assets. Along with Bank of America, Citigroup, and Wells Fargo in the United States, it is also one of the major banks. J.P. Morgan will be the world's largest fossil fuel lender by 2022. To be regarded as a worldwide and a custodian bank, J.P. Morgan Chase is classified securities and investment banking as well as asset and wealth management, and treasury services, all utilize J.P. Morgan as a trademark. J.P. Morgan Chase will introduce a Chase current account in the UK retail banking industry in September 2022. There are no retail banking operations outside of the United States in this company's portfolio at this time. At number 4 is a bank with headquarters located in Beijing and Shanghai, China. The Bank of China, also known as the BOC, is the 4th largest commercial bank controlled by the Chinese government. It's also the world's 4th largest bank by total resources. There are $4.073 billion in assets, and $181.4 billion in total market capitalization. As a result, despite their tight links in management and administration, and cooperation in many areas, Bank of China, Hong Kong, and its subsidiary Bank of China, Hong Kong, remain legally independent. This includes reselling BOC's insurance and securities services. Beijing's Shicheng district is home to the company's headquarters. The Republican government replaced the Daking Bank in 1912 by establishing the Bank of China. In addition, it is the second oldest bank in mainland China that is still operational today, after the Bank of Communications, established in 1908. It was the Big Four banks, the Farmers' Bank of China, the Bank of Communications, and the Central Bank of the Republic of China, that issued banknotes on behalf of the government from its foundation until 1942. Number 3. Third on our list is another one from the People's Republic of China. The Agricultural Bank of China, abbreviated as the ABC, is a major bank in the PRC, and is ranked as one of China's top 4 financial institutions, with a total of $4.214 billion in assets. It will be the 3rd largest bank in the world by 2022. Dongcheng District in Beijing is home to ABC, which was established on July 10, 1951. There are offices in Hong Kong, London, Tokyo, New York, Frankfurt, Sydney, Seoul, and Singapore, as well as across mainland China and Hong Kong. Aside from that, ABC serves 320 million individual customers, 2.7 million business clients, and 24,000 physical locations around the world. It is the 3rd largest asset-based lender in China. In mid-2010, ABC went public, surpassing Saudi Aramco as the world's largest IPO at the time. It was placed 8th among the world's top 1,000 banks in 2011. Forbes' 13th annual Global 2000 list placed it 3rd in 2015, and it will remain there in 2022. The Financial Stability Board classifies it as a systemically significant bank. Next is again from Beijing, China. Chinese bank, called China Construction Bank Corporation or CCB, is one of the 4 largest banks of 2022. According to market capitalization, CCB was the world's second largest bank in 2015, and the sixth largest firm overall. There are approximately 13,629 branches in the United States. It has a total asset of $4.354 billion, which is $300 million less than the first. It also has a total market cap of $257.3 billion. To round out its global presence further, the company has subsidiaries and branch offices across the world, including in the United Kingdom's capital city of London, including locations in Barcelona and Frankfurt, as well as offices in Hong Kong and Johannesburg. In addition, the Financial Stability Board classifies it as a systemically significant bank, having total assets of $1.35 trillion in 2009. Beijing's Sichuan neighborhood houses CCB, making it the second largest financial institution in the world by total assets in 2022. Now, for the first ranking bank. The richest bank of 2022 has a whopping total asset amounting to $4.614 billion. Chinese banking giant Industrial and Commercial Bank of China Limited, or the ICBC, is a worldwide corporation. The company's total assets are around $4.6 billion. Overall, it will be the world's largest bank by 2022. As a state-owned commercial bank, ICBC was founded on January 1, 1984, as a limited business. Moreover, in 2013, the bank's Tier 1 capital was the greatest among 1,000 worldwide banks, making it the first Chinese bank to attain this distinction in modern history, with capital given by China's Ministry of Finance. In addition, from 2012 to 2022, ICBC topped the Banker's Top 1000 World Banks list each year, and in 2019, it topped the Forbes Global 2000 list of the world's largest public firms. Furthermore, the Financial Stability Board has designated it as a systemically essential bank. By ending this video, we should note that the order of this list may change as the data comes in. The banks whose fortunes differ substantially from their competitors may change places as they continue to grow their wealth or diminish it. With that, here's a quick recap. Starting from $2.2 billion of total assets, we had the 10th richest bank on our list as Crédit Agricole, followed by the Bank of America, HSBC, BNP Paribas, Mitsubishi UFJ Financial Group, JP Morgan Chase, Bank of China, Agricultural Bank of China, China Construction Bank, and the Industrial and Commercial Bank of China, topping the list at $4.6 billion. Which bank are you actually expecting to top this list? Are they from your own city or country? Let us know in the comments below. Want more top 10 videos? Check out more of our content by clicking on our channel, and don't